In the first question, what we have is an algebraic fraction, and so asking us to solve this equation. So we're going to start with making the denominators equal. So as you would know, when we're adding or subtracting fractions with unlike denominators, the first step is to make the denominators equal. So I'm going to start that by multiplying the first fraction by 2 and the second fraction by 5. So that gives me 2 times 4x minus 1 divided by 10 plus 5 times x plus 4 divided by 10 equals to 3. Now we can combine the fraction, and what we can do is we can even expand the brackets in the numerator. That is 8x minus 2 plus 5x plus 20 divided by 10 equals to 3. We can combine the like terms in the numerator of the fraction, and we can multiply 3 with 10 and get rid of the fraction. So it's going to be 8x plus 5x, which is going to be 13x plus 18 equals to 30. 13x equals to 30 minus 18, which is going to be 12. X is 12 divided by 30. Then in the second question, we have a similar equation with fractions, and they want us to find the value of x. We're going to repeat the same steps. I'm going to multiply the first fraction by 4 and the second fraction by 3. That leaves me with 4 times x plus 1 over 12 plus 3 times 2x plus 5 over 12 equals to 2. So that's going to be 4x plus 4 plus 6x plus 15 divided by 12 equals to 2. Combine the like terms, so 10x plus 19 equals to 24. 10x equals to 24 minus 19, which is going to equal to 5, and x equals to 5 over 10, which is going to be 1 over 2. Question 3 is pretty much the same. The only difference is that now in the denominator we have a variable as well. So we will multiply the first fraction by 2 and the second fraction by 3. So that's going to be 2 times x plus 2 over 6x plus 3 times x minus 2 over 6x equals to 3. Expand the brackets, so 2x plus 4 plus 3x minus 6 divided by 6x equals to 3. Cross multiply, combine the like terms in the numerator. So 5x minus 2 equals to 18x minus 2 equals to 18x minus 5x, which is going to be 13x, and negative 2 divided by 13 is the value of x. Question 4a says find the value of f in this case, so expand the bracket. 5f minus 15 equals to f plus 10. Combine the like terms on each side, so 5f minus f equals to 10 plus 15. 4f equals to 25 f equals to 25 divided by 4, which is basically 5 whole number, 5 over 4. Then next question is find something different. Question 7. Question 7 says that functions f and g Question 7 says that functions f and g are defined as f of x equals to x squared plus 6 and g of x equals to x minus 10. Solve the equation f of gx equals to f of x. So first, let's find the composite function of f of gx. So in order to find a composite function, which in this case is f of gx, what we're going to do is going to replace the domain of f of x with gx. By that, what I mean is that x over here in x squared plus 6 becomes x minus 10 whole square plus 6. So this is a f of gx. They're saying that f of gx is equal to f of x and we have to solve it for that, which means x minus 10 whole square plus 6 is put equal to x squared plus 6. So the plus 6 gets cancelled out. So we have x minus 10 whole square equals to x squared. I'm going to put a square root on both sides to get rid of the square. That leaves us with x minus 10 equals to x. And our answer is going to be so what we're going to next is that we're going to expand the bracket on the left hand side. So x minus 10 whole square is basically x whole square minus 2 times x times 10 plus 10 square equals to x square. That's going to be x square minus 20x plus 100 equals to x square. The x square get cancelled out. We're left with negative 20x plus 100 equals to 0. 100 equals to 20x. 100 divided by 20 is equal to x, which is 5. X equal to 5. That is your answer. Question number 8 says solve 2x plus 5 whole square equals to 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 1. So what we'll do is we'll expand the bracket on the left hand side and right hand side. So for the left hand side, we can use the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square is 2x whole square plus 2 times 2x times 5 plus 5 square. Basically, this is the formula that I'm talking about. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. This is the expansion for it. And this equals to 2x times 2x minus 1 plus 3 times 2x minus 1. 4x square plus 20x plus 25 equals 4x square minus 2x plus 6x minus 3. Combine the like terms on each side. Left hand side remains as it is right now. Right hand side would be 4x square plus 4x minus 3. So we can see that there's a positive 4x square on the left hand side and right hand side. That would get subtracted, so that gets cancelled out. Let's take the 4x to the left hand side. and bring the 25 to the right hand side. So that is 16x equals to negative 28. And x is going to be negative 28 divided by 16, which can be simplified to negative 7 over 4. And to write in mixed numbers, that's going to be negative 1 whole number 3 by 4. That is your answer.